Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Google Drive to store your files, documents, photos, or videos, then you're going to love this feature. Instead of opening Google Drive in your browser every time, you can access it directly from File Explorer on your Windows PC, just like any other local drive. One of the biggest advantages is that you can set up the same Google Drive account on multiple computers or laptops. This makes it easy to share files between your devices. For example, if you add a file to Google Drive on one computer, it will automatically appear on your other computer as well, making file transfer quick and hassle-free. So, give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Download Google Drive. Open the official Google Drive download page. I will also leave this direct link in description so you can come directly to this page. Now click on the download button to download the setup file. The installer is around a few hundred megabytes in size, so the download should complete quickly depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, open the setup file and start the installation. The setup window will open. You may see options to create desktop shortcuts. Select whichever shortcuts you want and then click Install. Keep in mind that your computer should be connected to the internet during installation because Google Drive is a cloud storage service. When the installation is completed, simply close it. We don't need these shortcuts, so delete them. Now, go to your Start menu. Here, search for Google Drive and open it. When it opens, click on Get Started. Now click Sign In. A browser window will open, where you need to sign in with the Google account you want to use with Google Drive. Simply select your account and allow the requested permissions. Once the sign-in process is completed, come back on Google Drive. As you can see, it's now setting up our Google Drive. Now, follow on-screen instructions and complete the setup. Now, the drive should be added, but we need to make some changes. For that, click on the setting icon. Then go to Preferences. Here you will see two options on left side, My Laptop and Google Drive. Choose second one. And make sure it is set to Steam files. Now, go to your File Explorer and you will see your drive will be added there. Now, let's test if everything is working properly. I opened Google Drive in my browser using the same Google account. Then, I uploaded a few PNG files. After that, I came back to Google Drive in File Explorer and opened the drive. As you can see, the files I uploaded from the browser automatically appeared here as well. Next, I copied a file from my Downloads folder and pasted it directly into my Google Drive folder on the computer. Then I went back to Google Drive in the browser and refreshed the page. After a few moments, the file I copied from my PC also appeared online. This confirms that the sync is working perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.